Dr. Paul here. I have an exceptional patient who's got something going on with the ears. Let's go take a look. Here's our exceptional patient who has something going on with her ears. So, tell us the story. What's going on with the ears?
My ears have just been really itchy lately,
Okay.
especially this one. Hopefully get some good earwax out of there.
You think it's earwax?
I think so, maybe.
Okay.
My grandma has some trouble with eczema in her ears, so it might be that too.
Yeah.
We'll see.
You were saying as a kid you had a lot of earwax.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah?
All right. My wife, and you guys will see the link in the description, the most popular video on my channel, yours is to compete, is an earwax video. And that's starting to hurt, isn't it? Oh, hold on, folks. Come over here with your camera. Sitting right at the canal. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. There it is.
That was in your ear.
Wow, yuck!
Oh, wait a minute, there's more. We got another whole huge chunk of wax. There it is on your. Ew. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Oh. I was just trying to get that off. I don't do that to all the ladies.
No, that's a good
okay.
thing.
Yeah, that's not for all the ladies. Just my wife. And my wife was an earwax maker, so I figure you guys might be related or something.
Oh,
Could be.
that'd be awesome.
The old otoscope. And what I'm doing is just looking down the ear here like that, and we should see an eardrum, and we'll see if there's any wax in there. So, yes indeed, plenty of earwax.
Sweet.
Yep. And this side also, yep, not as much. First, we have to give you a little bib.
All right.
All right, so just pretend you're eating ribs. That'll maybe keep you from getting soaked. And this is basically just a fancy squirt gun. See that? And just hold that like that. Mm-hmm. And
Hi there. My name is Noah. Today we're going to talk to you about a company, Let's Get Checked, who has teamed up with our team, Dr. Paul Thomas YouTube, to offer you guys something really special, at-home blood testing for a variety of things. Now, I know a lot of you are like, dude, I came here for the earwax. I did not come here for you. I'm not sure why I made that voice. To which I would say, fair, granted, you probably came for earwax. However, this is the only sponsor we really have, so this is basically all we have to offer. A lot of guys and gals struggle with hormone deficiencies and they don't even know about it. I was low testosterone. I got some blood work done. It saved my life. My dad, Dr. Paul, don't tell anyone because I don't think he's ever said this before, but he has low testosterone. Sorry, Dad, cat's out of the bag. And getting his testosterone treated made a huge difference. So fellas, if you're struggling with depression, anxiety, lethargy, apathy, if you have a bit of a downstairs mix-up, you should find out what your hormone levels are. You might be going about treating these things in the wrong way. There's a female hormone testing as well. Let's Get Checked is a company that will send you a little kit for whatever you want to get tested. Hormone testing, vitamin deficiency, thyroid, tons of different things, right? All that information down below, but they're gonna send you a little kit right to your door. You can be all discreet about it. You can open the door and look left to right, make sure your neighbors don't know that you care about your wellness and your health. You can take that in, do a little blood draw via a finger prick, send it back to Let's Get Checked. They will go through everything with you, call you back, give you results, even give you a treatment plan. A nurse will reach out to you. It's super legit, super reasonable. Look into this service. Dr. Paul 20 is the coupon code. Use it. Use it or lose it, brothers and sisters. Back to the actual reason you subscribed. This video, earwax, here it comes. Thanks for letting me spit out my mouth juices. God, this is getting increasingly weird.
that's much better. Sometimes I just need help. It'll sound weird. You let me know if it hurts.
What does that feel like?
It's very loud.
I bet it's loud.
My ear feels really full of water and pressure.
There's a nice little fleck that
There's
came
a
out.
fleck, it's starting to loosen up. Ah,
There it is.
there's a big old
touch it.
Leave it right there for a moment.
Yeah,
Go close up.
Go get a light. Oh, we got a friend.
I got a friend here. You got a friend indeed.
Oh my gosh.
Dun, dun, dun.
I can hear.
You can hear already? So there, folks, is a nice little chunk of wax.
Okay.
Light back just a little.
Light back just a little.
There we go. Let's get all the angles.
All the angles. The things we get excited about. We'll show it to you in a minute.
Okay, go ahead and fish it out there, Doc.
Fish it out on this little scooper here. Oh, look at that baby. I'm gonna drop it. I'm trying not to drop it. Oh, there it went. There it is.
Take a look, Beth.
You can look.
Oh my gosh, that is terrible.
Nice work.
That's crazy.
There's one little piece sitting there begging to be released. I got it. I think I got it. See that little, just wax.
Yeah,
Oh,
that ear feels unstuffed.
Yeah, that ear was pretty full. So we're gonna go to the other side. I think we already got it.
Oh wow. This one's coming out.
It's coming out fast.
Yeah.
More than I thought, actually. I didn't realize there was that much in there. I think we got it, probably.
Yeah. That's a fair bit that just came out instantly.
You can take a look.
Yeah. Look at your babies.
Little wax
I
babies.
feel so clean.
Got the cleanest ears in town. Let's take a look, just make sure. Oh, there's a little bit for me to scoop out still.
Yeah, I wouldn't call it pain. I
Yeah,
would
that
just
was all that was left.
Just a little baby bit.
Yep. So, your ears are now perfectly clean.
Yeah.
For those of you watching, what happens is we make wax. I'm not exactly sure why. It has the purpose of protecting the ear canal itself because, you know, air gets in there, sand if you're at the beach. And so it does have a purpose, but if you make a lot of it and it blocks the whole eardrum, which we had happening on that right side, you can't hear, you feel like you're underwater. What I was doing was basically squirting water in. It was getting past the wax, hitting the eardrum, and then pushing the wax out. You can do that in the shower. If you pull your ear back, out and back, you will stretch this canal into a straight line. So in the shower, you pull out, back, and just get some warm water in there once a week, and you never have to see me again.
Aww.
Sorry, fellow docs, I just put you all out of business in the wax cleaning arena. It's solved. Just go to Dr. Paul and learn what you need to know. Thanks for watching, and a big thumbs up for our amazing patient today. Do you have any tips for your fans on YouTube?
Go see Dr. Paul, yeah. Get your ears cleaned out.
There you go. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm Dr. Paul.